Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Quant here, and as we can see, looking like it is continuing on this very nice run that it has been having. You can see here, obviously since the start of the new year, like most cryptocurrencies, we have seen a very nice move to the upside. For Quant, you can see here, obviously we came down to retest support again, and then going into the new year, we've pretty much had up only kind of price action here. We've run all the way up to the top of the range. We've got the breakout, the back test, and the continuation. We came up to this level here again, which was this previous key level of resistance. As you can see back here, it was a support flipped to resistance here. We obviously got the breakout, but we couldn't hold it as support in this area here. And we came back down, and now looking like we are breaking back above it yet again, which is interesting to see. Obviously, we were forming up a little bit of resistance here, but it looks as though Quant is very, very strong right now, coming up again, breaking out, and looking, like it is heading up, to be honest. We can see here heading up, currently hitting a little bit of previous resistance here. You would say on this previous level of resistance here, flipped into support, you'd say this is back into resistance. But really, as we said, if you're trading the Fibonacci levels, we've obviously got our Fibonacci pulled from the bull market high to the current low of this bear market here. And you can see our next key target, that's 0618, a very, very key target at around $175 there. You can see that is most likely, if we do get a continuation of this trend, going to be the next target. And to be honest, it looks like, considering how strong Quant's price action currently is, you'd probably expect Quant to be heading up into this area. I would definitely be looking at putting a short position in and around this area, because that is going to be a very strong level of resistance in my opinion. As you can see here, we didn't really clear this that much back here before we did roll over and then get the FTX collapse as well. So I would say you would probably at least get one rejection at the 618 Fibonacci level there, which would probably be the next target realistically. Now we've cleared all these resistances. There's a bit of obviously structure and preamble here, but realistically you'd say it's probably coming up to that level in my opinion. Obviously also got a bullish flip of the EMAs, which is always nice to see as well. Looking like we haven't even retested those as support yet, so quite clearly that we are in quite a parabolic move right now. You'd probably expect this to run pretty much straight up to that 618 level in my opinion. Now we've cleared this resistance, so things looking quite bullish in the very, very short term for Quant. I do still feel quite bearish in general in the short term on crypto. I do think if Bitcoin rolls over as well, obviously, I do think Bitcoin's probably going to come back down and retest some of the lows that it has made recently. And if that's the case, you'll probably see Quant come back down at least into this area here as well. But in the immediate short term, I'd say, Quant continuing to the upside here towards that level. But, short term, maybe in the next few months, maybe the next month or so, we could see Bitcoin coming back down again after having that very parabolic move. And if that's the case, you'd probably see Quant coming down as well. Mid to long term though, like 1, 5, 10 years out, I do think Quant probably a crypto that's going to do extremely well. Probably well over $1,000 in the next 5 years. So really, really good one in my opinion to hold for the long term. I do think this crypto, it's already got up to, what was it? The all-time high around $430. So $1,000 plus in the next 5 years seems easy in my opinion, considering the technology and how good this crypto actually is. So obviously it's easy to forget yourself in the bear market, but long term I do think a lot of cryptos are going to do well. So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. I'll leave this short position on the chart so we can see how it plays out. But for now, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.